Effects of peripheral blur on cybersickness in immersive virtual environments. In our study, we investigated the effect of peripheral blur on cybersickness reduction. We focused on two components of peripheral blur in the image. The first one was the absence or presence of the peripheral blur, and the second one was the size of the clear region, other than the peripheral blurred part. We conducted a 3-session within-subject study, with a slow-walking maze traveling scenario for the virtual environment. Each participant's 3 sessions were held on different days within a week. There were 3 conditions in our study: normal viewing, large window, and small window. A central window is the clear region fixed at the center of the screen. Normal viewing was provided with high-quality resolution images, while in large window and small window, the peripheral resolution was lowered by Gaussian blur. The remained clear region in large window condition is larger than in small window condition. We had 30 participants total. 15 are males and 15 are females. In the experiment, participants traveled in a maze, following predefined paths. There were 2 tasks in the maze and participants were instructed to complete them repetitively. The first one was to search for the appeared red balls. The second one was to remember the position of some common objects, to measure their ability of spatial updating. The participants could use the controller to move and rotate in the virtual world. When participants found a red ball, they should touch the ball with the controller to collect the ball. After collection, the next red ball would appear and guide the participant to traverse the maze. When participants found an object with yellow halo light, they should touch it and remember the position they met the object. The object would disappear after touched. When participants found an object with blue halo light later, they should touch the object to invoke an audio question. Please point to the object which was the same as this model and you have met before. Participants were instructed to use the controller to point to the position as they remembered. The participants could move on to traverse the maze, conducting these tasks repetitively. In the experiment, we used a simulator sickness questionnaire to evaluate the sickness symptoms before and after the VR experience. In the VR process, we invoked an audio question every 2 minutes, to ask the participants for their self-perceived discomfort. For the task performance, we used the search time and the error of spatial updating as the measures. Finally, we had an IPQ questionnaire to evaluate the presence and had a briefly interview to ask if the participants found the difference between conditions, especially image resolution differences. For the result, please see our paper. Thank you.